Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, no big deal, but today's my birthday, so I am going to do some birthday nails, and maybe later, I don't know, maybe I'll do them on my nails, because two of my rhinestones did fall off when I was in the shower, so I don't know. But I'm just going to show you right now what's on these tips I have prepared. So this pink one right here. Oh, you know what? There we go. This pink one right here is kind of just a pink holographic polish. And it's this one right here. ILNP. And it's called Summer Crush. And then this blue holographic one right here. Again, is another ILNP polish. And it's kind of like my birthstone, because my birthstone's aquamarine. So, yeah. And that's called Area, which is kind of funny because my thing is Aries. So, I don't know. Kind of sounds like it. And then on these three white tips right here, the white I was using is not Milky White. And it's just, again, by Holo Taco, just a plain white. Very thick. And then what I have on top of the three of the white nails, I just tried to do like some confetti, you know, stuff. So I believe it is, let me see, I think. And that one is Cosmic, let me see, Cosmic Unicorn. And it's more of like a pink and blue Flakies. I believe, I don't know which one. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's this one right here. Because two of the Flakies are a little bit similar. And then this one, again, is a Flaky, but it's got more of like an orangey green type of look to it. And that one is called Solar Unicorn Skin. And then on this one right here, can't really tell, but there is a rainbow going on in there. And that's just a regular flaky Holo polish. And it's Flaky Holo Taco. So that is what I have on those. And the plates I will be using, let me just put that away there. The plates I will be using is a MrFox plate. And it has all these birthday images on it. Happy birthday, it's party time. Happy birthday to you. Fireworks, party time, some bows, cupcake, streamers. You make me happy, a birthday cake, smile, some candy. Happy birthday, candle, a kitty with some hearts, a beer mug, happy. It looks like a little piggy holding up a cupcake. So that's what we got going on there. And then some Asian writing here. I don't know what that says. Maybe it says happy birthday. And then here I just have a BeautyPigbang plate, which is XL010. I don't know if I told you, but this is MrFox LB023. And again, this is the BeautyPigbang XL010. And it's just got like streamers, birthday balloons, crowns, champagne glasses, some sweets. What does it say? I live. Or does it say I love? I don't know. I can't really tell. I think it's I love. With mustache and top hats. Bunch of scribbled happy birthday. We got some music notes. Presents. Hearts. It's kind of got like some Valentine's-y stuff. Then we got some like party masks. Party hats. Chocolate. Bunny ears. So yeah. These are the plates I'm going to use. And I am just going to get started. And I'm going to put on some music. And like always, enjoy. I'll be back at the end to tell you how these plates work. I don't remember using these ones. If I did, it's been a while. Obviously, I didn't use the MrFox one, but the Beauty Big Bang one has the wrapper outfit, so I might have used it before. Don't know. But, let you know how the plates worked and show you the nails up close. So stay tuned, and I will be back when I am all done.
Regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it as I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me just stay one more night. I'll be by your side.
Hey guys, so I am back, and you know what, guys? I am so sorry. I know I paused it, I think, when I was waiting for this to dry. And I don't know if I came back, but I was showing you, just in case I didn't. I don't know if you've seen me color, I think, him in. And I don't know if you've seen me stamp this. But, I don't know what you've seen, what you didn't. I looked up and I was like, oh my goodness, there I go again. I didn't push the, play button. I am so sorry when I do that, you guys. But really, all my reverse stamping's the same, so at least if you see just most of it, that's good. But I am going to show you here at the end everything I did. So with this blue one, I just stamped the happy birthday all over right here. And then, what's going on right here? It seems like it just, oh, okay, it went that way. And then here we got happy birthday, and because I couldn't really fit it going the sideways, I just put it here and put him below it. Here, and then and before I go off to this next one, this one I colored in, if you see, in here, happy birthday, with some speckled polish instead of just plain white. I just figured it gave it a little bit more of that happy birthday, like confetti look. Kind of went with all the other confetti too. Then here we got the It's Party Time with a girl blowing the, like, I forgot what those are called, but yeah. And then here we just got a whole bunch of like party hats, crowns, hearts, balloons, fireworks. I was gonna paint these red and white, these like firecracker things, but I like the red. I don't know how much that would go with this pink. I was never one who liked it pink and red together. I know a lot of people do, and that's fine. Just not my favorite colors together. And then here, I did have some loose confettis I had stamped on there with regular polish. All I did was, like, I don't know if you guys seen it or not. All I did was I put a drop of pink. What colors did I do? I think I did pink, blue, yellow, and orange. And then it kind of just had a rainbow effect. But then I went over them with these, because I seen this one down here. And there was the cake. So that is my birthday nail art I did. And yeah, so I thought those were kind of cute. Yesterday was my mom's birthday. Today is mine. So it's kind of like me and mom's birthday nail art. But yeah, here's the birthday nails. I hope you guys liked them. And I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. Weather's starting to get a little nicer, at least where I'm at. So enjoy it. Stay safe. Still stay protected. And I hope to see you guys back real soon. Thanks for watching.